birthday girl.
Ah.
Birthday.
Titi check kay Mia kayo magpapakulay ng buhok. Yung huling kinulain na nakalbo. Wow.
Sabi niya.
Wow. I love this banana cakes. Ngayon kami ng Scream ngayon kasi nga malapit yung Halloween kaya kailangan i-appreciate natin yung mga horror movie, horror films, ganun, no? What's your favorite horror movie?
Scary movie na horror.
Sige.
Sabi po, Chica. What do you mean she's doing?
Ibig mo kaki? Oh shit.
You have to pass it. Yeah, that's right. Hold on.
Shoot!
Shit.
Oh, nice.
Oh, hey. Hey, hey, hey. I wanna play. What the freak? Okay, that's cheating, no team. What the? Oh! Cookie!
Pabalik.
Oh shit! Hey, you can't do that! Fuck! Why were you about to kick him? I'm not gonna kick him, I was gonna stab him. Wait. Oh, ow, my shin, man! Ah, fuck! I'm dipping. Oh, where you going? Whoa, shit! Thank you, didn't have that weakness, man. Oh. Damn, he's on the dribble, boy. Oh. Shit. Ah! Wait. No, boy. Bang! Bitch. Oh!
Hey!
Tommy, up!
Tommy.
Up! Up, boy! Up! Up, boy!
Down.
Down. Down. Sit! Tommy! Sit!
Tommy.
Down. Go back to cage!
Sabi ni Tommy, yung sa inyo walang treat.
Antok na ang baby ko!
Huwag mo akong video ha. Kakain na naman ako.
Kami, ang ba namin ni Koki magpapayat talaga. Wala, di kami makapagpapayat. Oh.
Huwag ka na magpapayat.
Huwag na, hindi ko gusto papayat.
Lagyan mo sa isang parang palamigan si Pujito.
Kain ng kain. Kahit si Daddy, nagpapayat yan. Wala na din. Kain
Hindi mo naman dyan, para tayo may banana cake
Hindi
mukbang.
naman nag-rice ang dami mo.
Eto guys, banana cake ko lahat. Nakailang kain na kami. Tapos ngayon, may soup naman. Yan.
At least so soup.
Palamigan ito yan. Sarap. Dating mo na ba?
Hindi pa, nagpa-apet ako eh. Tapos kain na kain. So guys, medyo na homesick si Mia. Gusto niya kumain ng pansit canton. Meron na kaming mee goreng. Actually, hindi yung Pilipino mee goreng, no? Ano ba to? Cambodian o Thailand? Or Indonesian yata. Indomie. Isa sa mga di namin in-expect na ang showtime ay GMA na. Ayan o, GMA showtime. Hindi ko in-expect yan talaga. Si Empo yan, pre! Oy,
Mas pogi pa rin si Empoy. Pojika! Pojika!